I hope I should be live now on YouTube. Yes, I think I am live on YouTube. Let's listen to this. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I'm live on YouTube. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm live. Okay, all right. Now I can check my YouTube chat here. And how do I check my X chat? I have no idea. Okay, I think we'll see. Yeah, I think I'm live on both platforms. I'll put it here so that I can check live chat. I don't know how to check live chat, but I hope I'm live everywhere. And yeah, I hope you are able to see everything. And yeah, I hope you are able to see everything. And yeah, let's test live. Hello. Okay, I can see my live chat as well on Twitter as well. Yes, this is, let's test it. Hello. Okay. All right. Yeah. Everything is good now. I think everything is good. Let's start the live stream. I hope you're able to see my screen. Okay, welcome everybody to this live stream. I'm going to test this new tool that came out recently for public testing. I think this is public beta. Before that it was not for public, and right now I think you can also go and sign up on Paper.Design, and this is the screen that you see after you log into the software. One second, let me adjust my camera. Yeah, for the first time when you log in, this is what you see in the software. Let's test it out if it is good or not, and we'll give some feedback to the people who built this platform. Okay, if you want to check it out, you can just go to Paper.Design. This website is the place where you go and sign up, and you will land on this screen if you sign up from Google or like email or whatever you want to. And then let's check it out. Okay, so first thing, in Figma that you see the toolbar in the bottom center, they put it here. Just like, I think this is similar to Adobe XD. This is good. I mean, I don't mind it anywhere, here, put it anywhere. I don't have a preference for this. I don't know if people have preference for this, because initially I had some preference for this when I really used to like in Figma when it was here, but then they put it here, and then I got desensitized to this thing, because I was really emotionally attached to that bottom top left one. But now I'm like, okay, screw it, put it anywhere, I don't care anymore. Okay, so this is the toolbar. What is this? This is select tool. Okay, what's the shortcut? Okay, V. It is same as Figma and same as other tools as well. Pen, spacebar. Okay. Is there hand as well? No H tool, only spacebar. Okay, good. What is this? This is frame, right? Okay, frame, F, right? Yeah, same. You can rename this, double click. Oh, nice. This is same as Figma. If you are familiar with Figma, guys, this is going to be the same. Okay, this is simple, this is easy. All right. And what is this? This is rectangle. Okay, this is a rectangle. Nice. You can change the color. Yeah, very similar to Figma if you are coming from Figma. Otherwise, this is, if you are not familiar with any tool, I think then also this should be easy, because this is, I mean, very basic. As you can see, I think this thing is a little more advanced than Figma, definitely. And this is solid, this is gradient. What kind of gradients are there? Okay, this is linear gradient. You can change the color. Yes, okay, all right. And you can change, what are these? Okay, HSL values, RGB values, LCH values. Okay. And okay, you can change this as well. And here, I hope you are able to see everything. Should I zoom in a little bit more? I think this is good, right? This is good. Okay, and this is, yeah, this is pretty straightforward, pretty nice. Okay, all right, nice. This is very good. Circular gradient. Okay, radial gradient, linear gradient, and conic gradient. Okay, some call it angular gradient, some call it conic gradient. I mean, it's fine. Figma call it, I think, angular gradient. This is fine. I mean, nobody cares, as long as it works fine, works smoothly. Naming is fine, cool. I mean, generally I think, but you know what, naming affects few things, because in Rive.app, I think there's a tool that is used for designing 2D motion graphics that you can use. I think they are you can use them in your websites and everything. It's very pretty nice tool. Like, I'm talking about this Rive.app. I think this is what I'm talking about. They recently renamed their components. Initially they used to call it I think nested artboards, but now they've started to call it components, because naming matters, right? Sometimes people relate to their old names, like what they are used to, and then if you name it the same way, it's instant familiarity, so they don't have to use their cognitive efforts to figure this out. They are already familiar with it. Okay, so this is gradient, this is rectangle we have used here. Okay, and what else? What is this? Distribute colors. Okay, what is this? If I click on this, what happens? If I let's put it here. Okay, and if I click on this is going to distribute, or what's going to happen? Let's take 3 colors, then I think we'll be able to see something. I don't know, I'm just testing it out. Okay, yeah, this is evenly distribute colors. Okay, nice. I think in Figma you can right now, I think recently they introduced a feature where you can put a percentage, from start to end. Starting is 0 and end is 100. So from there you can distribute like from 0 to 10 you can place one color, and 10 to 21, and then you can evenly distribute it manually, but there's no button like this. This is a cool button. I think I like it. Okay, so what is this? Interpolation through average colors. Okay, this is already selected. What is the second one? Through nearest blue. Did it change anything? I think it did. Let me zoom in. It did something here. Let's check it out. I think it did something here. See? Yeah, I like this one. This through nearest hue. Okay, it's not blue, it's hue. Evenly distributed. This is nice. I like this. This is cool. And what is this? You can flip it. Okay, flipping about 90 degree. It is rotating it in 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree rotate, right? Rotate counterclockwise 90 degree. Okay, makes sense. Cool, this is nice. And what else? You can add new colors. Okay, from here. And I think you can add new colors from here as well. Like you can click. You can delete also. Okay, yeah, you can delete as well. This is nice. What if you switch back to solid and switch back to gradient? Okay, it remembers. This is nice. This is beautiful. I mean, it's not like it resets everything. Okay, this behavior I really like. Okay, gradient, the background, I think we have explored enough. This is nice. What is this? Blending. Okay, normal, darken. Okay, it is showing the preview here as well. I like that, because in Figma I remember I think for fonts it was not there. I think and this thing also for blending modes, I think later they introduced. Initially it was not there, the preview. But now I think this tool is shipping it from the get-go. I think that's a nice thing. I really appreciate this. Okay, nice, beautiful. This is really nice. Okay, this is hiding the. Okay, I hit that. Where is that? I think it's hidden. You can't select it, right? If it's hidden. I don't know if it's hidden, then it shouldn't it be? I don't know. Like this is very. Should it be selectable when it's hidden? What do you think, guys? I mean, if anybody is watching, because right now I see nobody is watching, but if anybody is watching in future, what do you think? Should it be selectable? Because if it's not selectable, then how do you select it? You have to figure it out. You have to search through the layers, and But if there's a easy way to, or maybe there can be a preference like a toggle button, in which you can for example, the toggle button can say make all the hidden layers selectable, or make them unselectable or non-selectable. Because right now, if let's say I hide this, there's no way to select it. Like how do I select it? You'll have to figure out all the hidden layers, and then you have to select it, because it is very in finding any element in this layer panel is very difficult generally. You should be able to, ideally you should be able to not look at this thing, because the intuitive tools work in the canvas, not in the layers panel. Tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, you can't, I mean, let's not talk about those tools, because I'll start going in ranting mode, because I really I don't enjoy using those tools, to be honest. They are very powerful. I like their functionality and power, but I don't like the way they work. I really love Figma. I really love Rive and all these new generation tools that are coming up. I so far I'm liking this tool as well. Okay, so this is done. Can you collapse it? Oh no, I think in Figma also you can't collapse it. Okay, this is good. Oh, pick whip feature is not there. Pick whip, I don't know, like how do you say it? Like, oh, what is this? Oh, I'm this. Okay, what is this? This is a bug or what? I'm pressing Alt tool, Alt, or like I think I'm pressing Option. What is this? What is this happening? Is it a bug? Is it a bug, guys? Okay, I think it's cool. It's not that serious. I think I can just write it down, and I can maybe potentially report it to the paper team. I think, what is this? Rotate counterclockwise. Rotate counterclockwise. Tool is behaving weirdly while pressing Alt or Option. Okay. This is good. All right, I think, see this? Okay, I mean, this is not a serious thing. They can fix it easily if it's a bug, I don't know. And pick whip, okay, pick whip is there. Oh, okay. The arrow is not moving at all. I like that. Oh, here it's not working, but here it's working. If you press Alt and then you click and drag, that's how it works. But here it's not working. Here this weird thing is happening. I don't know why. I don't know, maybe this is how they wanted it to work, but I think this is weird. I think they can fix that. I don't know. Okay, let's test outlines. Okay, pick whip is pick whip. I don't know, I can't say this word, guys. Pick whip. It's working. Okay, and yeah, what is this? Outline offset. Okay, offset is also there. Dang, I didn't expect you to guys to give this feature. This is a nice feature. Offset. Okay, this is a nice feature. I didn't expect this, but I love this actually. Okay, you can also drag this, color modal. Yeah, okay, this is good. What is this? What? Wow, what is this, guys? This is moving, right? Like, I'm not doing anything. I'm not moving this. Okay, all right. This is weird. Is this a bug or what? Okay, I think this is a bug. I'm pretty sure this is a bug. Or is it? Yeah, this shouldn't move. Ideally, this should not move. Yeah. Yeah. I think this is a bug. This seems like a bug. Because if I want to select red, that's why I'm here. But this is selecting some shade of... Okay, yeah, this is a bug. Color selector. Color picker. Bug. Yeah, I think this is also a bug. Should I like put in a timestamp? I think in the chat I can put like color picker bug. Yeah, in the X also I can put a comment, color picker bug. Color picker bug. Okay, this is good. This is P3. Okay, this is nice. Oh, it works without pressing Alt as well. You just need to select this, let's say input field, and then hover here on this H or C or L, and then you will be able to select this. So see, if I'm using these numbers, then this can move. But in case if I'm selecting using this shouldn't move. This should stay the same. I don't know why this is happening. Is this a bug or not? I have no idea. I think this should be a bug, because I don't know if it's a bug or not, because maybe I don't know how to use this. I don't know. But in RGB, yeah, it's moving in all of them. What is this? Maintain chroma, maintain lightness. Okay, find closest color. Okay, maintain luma, maintain what? Maintain chroma, let's say. I've selected that. Does it also move in this one as well? Now it makes sense. If I'm using these things and this is moving, it makes sense because this should move if I'm using the controls, these number controls. But if I'm using this, it shouldn't move. Maybe let's say maintain lightness. Okay, that makes sense. But now in this, I don't know, maybe I'm find, or I can just, I don't know, find closest color. What is this? Maintain chroma, maintain line. This makes sense. Find closest color, what does this mean? I mean, what does it mean? I don't know, it could be something because they have given this feature. Maybe I'm not aware of this thing, but I don't know like how to use this. Is there anything like manual fixed color or something, which I mean there's no algorithm or no formula you're using in the backend and you're just giving me the color that I want? Because this movement of this thing I'm not liking when I'm actually using this color picker, these controls. I'm not using all these things. Okay, all right, hex, RGB, HSL, okay, all right, okay, LCH, all right, this is good. Okay, this is good. Color picker is okay, and this border is also done. Yeah, I like this, but can you add multiple borders? Dashed, okay. Can you control the dash? Not yet, I guess. Yeah, not yet. I think they will give this feature later. I don't know. Oh, I like this dotted because in Figma, if you want to make it dotted, there is a trick to make it dotted. Like, you know, the width of the dash should be close to 0, like 0.001, and or maybe you can put it 0 as well. I don't know if 0 works or not, but close to 0 works definitely in Figma. And then you can, you know, the height, the stroke width can be the same as, or maybe stroke widths you don't need to care about that. I think, yeah, something like that. I mean, you can achieve this, but here you are giving like from the get-go, it is there, dotted is there, dashed and dotted. I think only dashed is there in Figma, dotted is not there. You might be like thinking like why I'm comparing everything to Figma, because guys, I use Figma every day. I use it like maybe 12 hours a day. So I'm gonna compare it to that, and this tool is direct competitor to Figma. I mean exact direct competitor to Figma. So I think it makes sense to compare it to Figma. Yeah, okay, this, let's remove it. If I add it now, okay, it starts from the beginning. I think this is cool. Yeah, I like this. Dotted. Okay, can you like double click and go in edit mode? Okay, no, you can't. How do I change the shape? Can you? Oh, pen tool is not there. I think they have vacancy on their website. Let me show you. I think let's search Paper.Design. Paper.Design careers. See this? Hiring a founding design engineer, join as an early employee with built-in state-of-the-art design tool, invert, no interface, day-to-day. I think they had this vacancy of pen tool. Where is the careers? No careers page. I think there used to be a career page where they had a listing of pen tool. I think they have not built pen tool yet. That's why you can't edit this shape, and you know, you can't even put rectangles and circles right now. Or do you have like, let me press O. No, I think they don't have now. I think later they will give, I'm pretty sure, obviously. I mean, without that it's okay. I think snapping is also working. I'm pressing shift to snap it. I think this is working fine. Let's check this. Yeah, this is also working fine. Okay, this is also working fine. I really like this, that the pick whip is not moving. It's stationary. You know, it enlarged. See that? When you click on it, see? It becomes a little bigger when you click on it and you can drag. I'm liking the fact that it's not moving. Because in other tools where it moves, it's very annoying that the pick whip is coming from this end to that end and you know it is moving all around your screen. That's really annoying because it gets lost somewhere. But in this it is not moving. I really love this interaction. Wow, thank you. This is very good, very useful. Okay, what is wrap in a flex? What is this? Okay, it is wrapping it into a flex box. Okay, this is, let's test that auto layout thingy. Oh, this, do you like this? I think this zooming thing can also be a little smoother. I think this is good enough. Yeah, I think this is good enough. Okay, so let's check that out. Okay, this is also working. The middle mouse click and drag is also working. But I would love it if the icon also changes, the cursor icon, like here, it should change to this icon when I'm, you know, pressing the middle mouse wheel and then, you know, dragging. It should change to this icon if I'm pressing that button. But right now it's not changing, but I think it's fine. It's a very nitpicking. But let's create a auto layout, or maybe like whatever they call it, flex or something they are calling it. I think they're calling it what? Oh, Shift A is working. Ha ha ha! I'm happy. Shift A is working fine. Working like a smooth. Okay, this is a gap, right? Horizontal gap between elements. Okay, this is working fine. This is about padding. Let's give some background before that. Okay, this is the background. Okay, this is padding, right? Command and pressing in. Okay, that is not working. So in Figma, if you press command and, you know, click here, you can change the padding all around. I mean, all 4 paddings, like left, right, top, bottom. You can change all of them in one go. Like you don't have to, you know, go in like left, right, and top, bottom. You can just change it from here. If you press control, or not control, like command, like control in Windows and command in Mac, command and click, you can just change it. But here it's not working. I think that's a normal thing. It's not a problem. Oh, okay. Oh, I think I like this. Let's play with that a little bit. Okay. Yeah. Let's change this and let's play with this. Okay. All right. This is good. This is working fine. Okay. And horizontal, you can make it fit content. Yes, sir. This works nice. Fit content. This is also nice. I really love this. There is no, you know, if you are used to Figma, there are no hiccups yet. Resize to fit. Yeah, this is nice. Working align to baseline. What does it mean? Okay, if there is a text, we don't have text. Let's put some text. Oh, nice. I just pressed T and it worked just like other tools. This is, does Cave also works? No. K tool, the scale tool that we have in Figma, that's really useful. It's not working, but never mind. I'll use this for now. I think K tool they will give later. Maybe I don't know if they will give or not. but I think, yeah. Okay, align to baseline. Now let's choose that. Align to what? Space between. Align to baseline. See, now this is working. Align to space between. Space between. Okay, all right, let's make it align to baseline. Okay, in case of Figma, in case of text, if we have, you might want to use this. Otherwise, align to baseline, we can just remove that for now. Yeah, in case of text, you can use that. Okay, space between is already. What is happening here? Why it's auto? The space between, I think it's 279, right? Gap between elements. Why is it increasing? Why is it increasing? Is it a minimum gap? Because right now it's minimum. Okay, it cannot go lower than that. Is that what you're trying to say here? Because this is space between. I think this is a little bit different than Figma, or maybe I don't know, it's confusing. Because in Figma, when you set it auto, the space between thing, then only this behavior happens. Otherwise, it will stick to whatever is here. But right now, it is considering this as minimum space. But it is not saying minimum space. See? When I click here, it's not selected. But when I click, like right click, it selects it. This is nice. So gap between elements. This is not a minimum gap between elements, but this is treating it like minimum gap between elements. Because see, this is minimum gap. But if it is selected to auto, let me just put it auto. Is that work? No, that does not work. Okay, so it treats it as auto. And yeah, I think this is good. This is good, little bit different, or maybe, I don't know, like this is, yeah, maybe they can change it later. But for now, this is very good. I mean, I don't know, like I didn't expect it to be this good, to be honest, guys. Like the tool so far is working amazing. I didn't expect it to be this good, considering this is very early company, and you know, they didn't raise so much money, and Figma is such a big company. Like for example, look at this, announcing our 4.2 seed round. They just raised seed round. I think not just, I think they raised a while ago, but I think $4.2 million they just raised. I mean, this much only, and they have able to build this good tool. I think it is very nice. They have done a great job here. Okay, I think we have tested this auto layout thing. And what is this? Let's just remove this. Okay, I have disabled that feature. Now let's see what happens here. Okay, nothing happens. I think it treats this. Okay, I think that was the problem. Okay, got it. I think I got it now. So basically, if you want to set it auto and treat this as minimum, then choose this feature, space between. This will be a minimum gap between them, and then you can change it for auto like this. See, minimum gap is maintained, and if you exceed more than that, then it fills. I think this is a good behavior. I don't know. Yeah, this is different. This is not confusing at all. I think this is different. But maybe they would want to give, I don't know, like maybe they can improve this feature or not. I don't know, like I don't know what to say here, but I think this is good so far. That's what I can say. Oh, content clip. Okay, yeah, this is nice. Oh, when I click on this, it goes back to whatever the minimum here, all these numbers are. Okay, this is a nice. This is, I think auto layout, they have been able to figure this out. I think they have done it, they have done a great job here. They have figured out auto layout as well. And what else, is anybody watching me? I don't think so. Yeah, auto layout is good, but hopefully people will watch later. Okay, so let's test other things. Okay, I think they have, if they have been able to do this auto layout nicely, then it's very good, because auto layout is generally, I mean, this company, I mean, this is very powerful, one of the most powerful tool, but I mean, their auto layout and layouting thing is, to be honest, a little bit confusing. I don't know if this is more powerful than Figma, because it seems like they are building something more powerful than Figma, but the auto layouting thing is, I don't know guys, like it's a little bit confusing to me, honestly. I'm not able to use it properly in my workflow. Yeah, I mean, but this one is actually usable. I mean, I can use it. I mean, I think this is also usable, the auto layout thing that they have. I think they call it layout, and this is very good that they are using the paper team is also using the same shortcuts, like I just press Shift A, and this is very good that they are not reinventing the, oh, what is this happening? Okay, see this, I'm clicking here, I'm dragging outside. Should it go outside? No, I think so. Yeah, this shouldn't go outside. Oh, uniform U, classic U. Wow, this is very advanced level stuff here. Uniform U, yeah. This shouldn't go out, I guess. I don't know if it should go outside or not, because in this it is not moving, and I love this behavior. So I think that behavior should apply here as well. It shouldn't move. Yeah, okay, all right. This is nice. Okay, this is nice. I just wrapped it in new frame here. You can check this. So far it is very good. I'm liking this. Let's name it 1. Does it duplicate if it, oh no, it doesn't rename it, but in Figma you will see if you drag it, duplicate it, will be 2. I mean, this is just nitpicking, but I mean, it's not like I want this feature, but it's nice to have. Okay, all right. Copy link. What does this say? Copy link. Okay, no feedback. I just copied. What happens if I paste it here? I think it copied, but there's no feedback. Feedback copy. Okay, copy feedback. Let's just put it copy feedback would be nice. Yeah, YouTube chat and X chat. This is my X chat. Okay. All right, that would be nice if I get a feedback if I click on this button, like copied or something. I don't know. Okay, that is tested. Outline we already tested. This is a gap, the offset. I think if you could add multiple outlines, that will be nice to have. I don't know, like it would be nice to have, but hey, I don't mind this as well. Can you make it inside outside or something? Like if we put it 0, is it possible? No, I think it will be outside all the time. Or can you? No. Centered, outside, inside, you can't do that. Sorry guys. So I just lifted it with my feet. I hope you're not judging me. Sorry. I dropped my notebook. Okay. All right. This is good now. I think this is auto layout is good. I think I've tested it enough, and I love this so far. Yeah. And let's go to the next one. What is a border? Oh, outline and border are different things. What? Dang. Okay, this is outline that we have been testing so far. Okay, outline is different than borders. Okay, all right. Outline should be outlined. Yeah, it should be outlined. It shouldn't be center line or like inline. Got it. Let's add border now. Okay. Border. Let's set to all directions. Okay, border will be inside like a padding. Okay, border also counts as, you know, as a space, because in Figma border does not have width. Basically they count it as 0. So if you are adding border, the size is changing. But if I make it, let's say like fixed or something, does it also change in that case? Oh, it is offsetting the inside. I don't know if this is what I want or not, but this is definitely interesting. Different than Figma, because Figma does not count border. It says that, I mean, it works as if there's no width to borders. But this is interesting. I don't know if I like this or not, but this is definitely, oh, okay. See this? Yeah, maybe border. Yeah, maybe I prefer the Figma one because this is not what I like. I don't want my content to shift based on the border. But I don't know, maybe this is different. Maybe I want this as well and that as well. Maybe I want both behaviors. Maybe there's a way to change this. Not yet, I guess. Maybe in future. Okay, all right, this is good. Okay, I think I like this. Let's put it. Okay, this is working, but pick whip is not working, guys. Pick whip. I hope that is called pick whip because I've been calling it pick whip. Oh, what is this? 0. If I call it 0, okay. If I call it F, okay. So if I select this and go here and click one time and double click and select like everything here, right? Yeah, okay. Oh, this is nice. You are able to select everything. But in case of like, if I select this and this is selected, you should be able to use the pick whip. I don't know when I learned to say pick whip, but good. Oh, this is nice. And clip content. But this behavior, this shifting the inside content, I don't know. Maybe I want this, but I want that the one that Figma has and everybody else has, because in those tools the content does not shift if you're using different width of, I mean, this border width does not play any role in the width of the main container. That's what I was trying to say. What else? Okay, I think this is done. See this behavior, this maybe I want this as well, and the one that Figma has, I want that as well. Okay, let's move on to the shadows panel. Okay, should I put it here like as a timestamp? Shadows. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's test shadows. Okay, let's add a shadow. Okay, good. This is blur, maximum 250 blur, right? Yeah, cool, good. Okay, this is, I think, what, spread. Okay, I like this. Okay, is there a way to box shadow and drop shadow? What's the difference? Okay, let's test it on like smaller elements, guys, because the big elements are too big. Let's test it here. Let's put it here and test it here. Okay, so drop shadow. What's the difference? Okay, box shadow. This is box shadow and this is drop shadow. Okay, this is box shadow, right? Yeah, I think box is basically you use this and duplicate this and put it behind and give it this color. Okay, this is opacity. You can change the opacity here. Let's give it 100% and this as well 100%. So this is box shadow, this is drop shadow. Good to know that. See this drop shadow. If I click plus, how do we change this shadow? Oh wow, what is this? No, one second. Undo is working nice. Okay, you can change settings to them. Okay, but how do we change that this can be drop and this can be box shadow? I think that's not possible, I guess, so far. Inner shadow you can't add for now, I think. Yeah, okay, shadow is tested and approved, I guess. It works nice for whatever we have till now. It works fine, it works nice. Later in the future we will get more features, definitely. Okay, inner shadow is different. Okay, all right. I'm a little I didn't see it. Okay, got it. Inner shadow is different, guys. Oh, R is working. R for rectangle. Okay, inner shadow. Let's add inner shadow. Okay, all right. Blur it. Okay, this is spread. Yeah, inner shadow is straightforward, very straightforward. Can you change the sequence? Not yet. Like select it and put it, change the order. I think you can't do that. I think shadows, for what you have so far, I think, yeah, they have done a great job. Later in the future you can expect maybe more features. Definitely, I think that will be there. Yeah, there will be more features. That is just given. You will get features. Okay, shadow is done. Inner shadow, outer shadow, border and outline. I think they have differentiated. They can put it in the same thing. I think there should be some way to put them in the same way, or maybe the shadows definitely they'll have to put in the same, because this looks little different and maybe I don't know, I don't want to say confusing, because it's very clear, like this is shadow and this is inner shadow. But yeah, okay, cool, shadow is done. Let's test the export feature. Export. Okay, all right, Nice, this is nice. Like when you click on this, there are no presets. Let's say if I split 2, okay, X is just added at the end. Whatever you can put X, 8 or like 2 or 0.5, 0.25. But in the future they'll give some presets as well. I think they will. I mean, that's the natural progression of these kind of tools. PNG, JPG, you can select the, what is this? Okay, suffix, RGB. Oh, this is not working. Color space. So do you have to change from here? And then you can edit the color space or what? No. What? Color space is not working, but they have given this. I think this is unavailable for now. So let's just put it color space in export. Okay, all right. This is good. SVG, and then you can export. Yeah, let's export it actually. Export. This is exported. Oh, 11 MB. What? What? Oh, see this, guys? There's a little bit of delay when you know, in the layer panel you are somewhere else, and when you have selected this, oh no, there is no delay. See this? It's not instant like this. You have scrolled, click this, there's a delay. Okay, that's I'm just nitpicking. What is this? Vector. Okay, what if you import other kind of vectors here? How do they behave? For icons, can you paste vectors? Let's just check that out. Okay, let's copy SVG. This is a normal raw. We'll copy this as well. Let's see if that works. Okay, allow paste. What? It's not working. Okay, Command V is working, but this is not working. I don't know why. It should work. Copy pasting. Okay, all right. And you can increase this. Okay, this is good. Oh wow, where is the maintain? You can't maintain, you can't lock width and height. Lock feature for width and height. Locking or linking. Locking / linking width and height. Okay, all right. This should be there, right? Like locking. Can you go inside a vector? No, you can't. Like, you can't edit vectors. Okay. I think pen tool is not there. That's why I think these features are not there. But as soon as we get pen tool, we'll get more features. I think we'll get other things like Boolean operators and all. I think we'll get those features later as soon as we get pen tool. Right now vector is just like this. Oh wow, double click, you can go to the Yeah, I like this feature because in Figma I really love this feature. You can just double click and go directly to the export. Copy paste is working. What is there? What if I press F and right click? Okay, copy one element, paste on top. What is this? Paste on top, paste to replace. Oh, Command Shift R, my god, I love this feature. So copy, Command Shift R. This is my most used shortcut that I use, and they have given these shortcuts. Paper users, paper creators, you have done amazing job. Wow, this is good. I'm loving this so far actually. You know, the spicy thing, we will test it in a bit, because shaders are the thing that, you know, that makes it a different tool, because Figma does not give a lot of shaders. And what is this? This is image generation. Okay, these things we'll test, because these are the most, you know, amazing things. Okay, let's test this. Copy, duplicate, Control D, duplicate it. This is nice. Yes sir. Okay, copy styles. Okay, copy styles. Okay, let's just copy styles and then see if it pastes. So copy styles, because I use this tool as this feature a lot in Figma. Paste to replace. Okay, it is pasting this, but let's paste styles. Where are paste styles? Paste styles. Yes sir, it's working fine. I'm like really surprised how this tool is working, because this is working so good. I didn't expect it to be so good. Honestly, not at all. I mean, I expected it to be good enough, but this is like, I mean, there's nothing to complain. Whatever is there, it's working fine so far. Wow, I'm impressed, Paper team. Why I'm saying play, because these days I'm playing with this play tool. Let's say create with play. These days I'm playing this tool. This is award-winning tool. I mean, yeah, they got some award in Apple event. That's very, you know, that's very good. And I love this tool. So that's why I've been saying play instead of paper. And also guys, there's one more feedback I want to give. When you search, you know, something like, for example, how to do XYZ, like how to do certain things in play. So play is a very general term. This play name is very general. So you have to search create with play. That's why like paper is also very general, very generic term, like very common word. It's a dictionary word. So in Rive is not a dictionary word, and it's short as well. So it's very useful. It's very simple to search for this tool. But it's, you know, searching SEO kind of things will be a little difficult for paper. For play it was even more difficult. For paper I don't know if it will be that as difficult, because when you search for something and you write play, it doesn't come up. You'll have to write create with play. But in this case I think you can write Paper.Design, like how to do auto layout in Paper.Design. You can just play on that Paper.Design thing. But in this case you don't have to write anything, just write Rive, because Rive is not a dictionary word. I think that's a drawback of using dictionary words. But for example, like Apple is a big company. It's a dictionary word, but it's a big company, so they can afford to do that. But in case of play, it's little, you know, little different, or maybe like little inconvenient to write a long word when the tool is play, but you are not writing play, you're writing create with play. But in case of Paper.Design, I don't know. Like in case of spline is like kind of different word, not as general or as generic as paper and play. These tools are they have very recall values higher. Definitely recall value. I love that paper and play have a lot of higher recall value. But SEO will be a little difficult, guys. So keep that in mind. Try to play on the different word like Paper.Design or something. Inner shadow. Okay, I think we already tested this, right? Yeah, we already tested this. Let's test the other thing. I think we were testing these things. Okay, add flex layout. Flex layout, they're calling it flex layout, they're not calling it auto layout, because you know what, Figma might have a trademark for this. It's really funny, guys, because they might sue you. Because recently they sued Lovable, I guess, for using dev mode. That's so funny and crazy, but you know what do we have to say about that? They gotta do what they gotta do. Okay, add the flex layout. Yeah, okay, let's put something inside it. Let's duplicate. Bro, like, I'm not feeling any problems here. Everything is so smooth. If you are used to Figma, you feel like home. You honestly feel like a home. There's no problem at all. I mean, there will be some things like quality of life changes. I mean, but I really love this too. This looks like you're in Figma, but with some powers. We will see powers in a little bit, guys. Just stay with me. We are gonna use shaders. Okay, guides and everything. Let's test guides as well. Good enough. I don't use guides, to be honest. I don't use guides. I'm sorry. I use the baseline grids, the 8-pixel grid and everything, but I don't use guides to navigate. And for initially, I might use a little bit, but generally I just eyeball everything. Or not eyeball, I mean I can measure, like, oh, one more thing. Oh wow, this thing is working. I use it like this. Okay, when I'm measuring things from distance between elements, I use this tool. Like, press Alt, like select an element, and then press Alt, Option, or whatever you have, and then hover. Then you can measure the distance. That's how I do it. Like, for example, this is 16 here. You know, I don't have to use guides. I can just turn them off. Stretch, start. A guide is fine. Guide people use. I think I've seen people using these, but I don't use guides, guys. This is 16. So I'll just do it like this. For example, select this. Yeah, this is also good. Like, you can expand this. Oh, what happened? Yeah, nothing. Okay, this is good. Let's check export frames, export PNG. Let's check this. Okay, this is PNG. Where is the PNG? I just pasted it here. 1 second, one more time. Okay, it's here. Okay, it's here. I think it got pasted here. Oh, 1 second. What is this? I think it should go where I want to put it. It is going here. Okay. Why is it going there? Oh wow. Okay, this is a bug, I guess. Dropping image bug. Yeah, let's put it here in the chat as well. Yeah, because see, if I'm like putting this here, it should come here, right? But it is going there somewhere in the mountains. Let's drop it here. Okay, is it happening with SVGs as well? No, not with SVGs, only PNGs. Oh, let's test the JPG as well. JPG exported. Okay, JPG is working fine, SVG is working fine, but PNGs are going off the rails. What is this? No, it's everything is going off the rails. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. This is SVG, right? Okay, everything is going off the rails. Dropping image, dropping elements from browser downloads being misplaced. Okay, let's put it here as well. All right, and what else? Let's just, okay, can I export this as well? Can I copy it as image? Vectorize. Okay, these features we'll test in a bit. Vectorize. Okay, so you can vectorize anything. What can you vectorize? Extract colors. Oh, all right, love this feature, love this feature, love this feature. Okay, let's put something from Unsplash, some image like trees images. Let's copy this and put it here. Okay, this is not working, paste is not working. Paste with mouse right click is not working. Oh, this is paste with, page width, no, not page width, I think paste width. I meant to say paste width. Paste with mouse right click is not working because, let me just copy it again, copy. This is not working. Hide UI is there. Oh wow, show UI is there. Good, I like this feature. Okay, with mouse it's working like this, it's working fine. Now see, extract colors. Okay, I love this feature, love this quality of life feature. Let's vectorize. Can you really vectorize? Oh, it's working in the background. The loading can be a little more clear. Generating. Oh wow, this is what I'm talking about. This is very spicy feature. See, this was the image, original image, and this is what they have given. Vectorize, man, thank you Paper team, you have done an amazing job here. Okay, wow, this is amazing. Let me find some good quality images so that we can check the quality. So where's Unsplash? Let's check something. The tree is very good too. Let's check this one if it is able to, original. We'll drag this image here. Okay, this got pasted nicely, but the last one that we exported, they were going somewhere else only. Like this. See this? I don't know, this image worked fine for some reason. See this? Is it because this is big? I don't know. I want to see uncompressed. What? Open image to see uncompressed. There was something. What did you say? Open image to see image resized. There was a tooltip. It got vanished. Okay, right click, open image to see uncompressed original. Okay, open image in new tab. Uncompressed. Okay, move forward, open an image in new tab. Okay, that's fine. I mean, this is uncompressed. Okay, they're saving the uncompressed version as well. That's nice. Okay, all right. Vectorized spicy feature. Let's duplicate this. And the canvas is also very responsive. I mean, I don't know how they're able to achieve this, because see, I'm able to move fast around. It's not as smooth as Figma, but I mean, this is commendable. This is close. This is the closest. And Figma canvas is one of the best, I think. This is the Figma canvas is the best, I think, in the industry, if not the best. It is one of the best. Yeah, so let's vectorize. This is spicy. Okay. Ooh. Unsplashed to generate image. Unable to generate image. Let's reduce the size because it was too big. I don't know if that was the reason. Yeah, I think that was the reason. Unable to generate image. Why? Why? Is it big? That's why. Oh, it has too many details. I don't know. Unable to generate image. Please try. Let me refresh it. Now let's try. Vectorize. Okay, maybe I need to drop smaller images because the image was too big. Let's take this one small. See this? This is offsetting. I think this will work as far as I can see. Yeah, this is gonna work. Moment of truth. Yeah, if the image is too big, so 640 by 427 is able to generate. Let's see. And I'm also liking the fact that I'm clicking outside and this is still in progress. See, this is very good. The illustration is, very good. Wow, this is beautiful. This is nice, paper team. Let's just put a little bigger image. Okay, 1920 by 1280. Let's check if this works. See this? This is placing it somewhere else. Okay, let's see if this works because this is a bigger image. And also I don't have to duplicate this because it already creates a duplicate and put the new below it. See this? You can just move it around. Yeah, this is nice and it's still generating. No. Okay, let me just stay still. Okay, this is big. This is too big. Let's find some smaller image which is like some 1200 by 1200, something like that. Maybe like this or something. No, not small enough. Maybe this, not small enough. Maybe this. No, this is big. Guys, are there any small images? No. Minimum it's let's check this. No, there are no images of 1200. I don't know. Let's orientation. Is there any way to select orientation license? No. Maybe let's copy this, or maybe let's copy the one that we were doing earlier. So this looks nice. Let's copy this and this is here. Okay, this is 1700. Fine, this should work. Let's see. This is smaller than that. I don't know if it will work or not. Unable to generate because I think this is also too big. Is it able to generate? I think it will not. Oh, is it going to do it? I think it is going to do it. Let's wait. Which one is better? This was before. Let's increase the size. Oh wow, I think this is also good, but this had more details. Why? I don't know. This is ironical because this had more details. more than this definitely. Yeah, maybe. Okay, all right. I think I like both of them. This is very good. Not gonna lie, very good. Because have you checked this feature in that what's that in Illustrator? I think this feature is very good in Illustrator as well, but here it's working like a charm. Okay, I just pressed Command A to select all of them. Oh wow, this didn't get selected or what? I have not checked what this is. We'll design some UI later, but for now let's just test the features. Okay, what else is there? If I've selected this, remove background. Okay, let's test remove background as well. I think let's use this. Copy image. This paste is not working for some reason. Let's paste it here. Let's remove the background. Extract colors is working. Extract colors, I love it, man. The tool is really good. Open image in new tab. This is good, but let's remove background. Moment of truth, guys. Moment of truth. Okay, all right. Wow, did a great job. Let's put it in a frame. If it did a great job, we'll be able to check it out. Oh, nesting is also working fine. Let's make it black. Oh, show you why. Do you see these edges? I think, yeah, mostly it's doing good, but I think this is very good. The background removal is, yeah, it's good. Yeah, I mean, these things are difficult, but I think they will be able to fix it. I think this is not their problem. I think every tool has these kind of things. Do you want me to test it in Figma? How do they remove the same image? I don't know. Maybe we'll check it later, but for now I think it's good. Or maybe I am like tempted to check it. 1 second. Let me log into Figma. I think, yeah, in Figma, let's paste that image. Now let's remove the background. Let's add a fill, black, full opacity, put it behind, full. Now let's remove the background. Let's remove the background, remove background. It's working in the background while I can do one more thing. No, I can't do anything else. Okay, this also has, see these edges, but Paper didn't have those, right? Paper does not have any edges here, or it has, I don't know. Is it a different image? This looks like a different image here. Yeah, I think it's good enough in both of them. Yeah, I think it's good enough. Okay, so this is done. Should I put them here? Yeah, this is What else is there? Copy as React? What do you mean? Copy as React, copied as React component, paste here, let's paste here. Okay, this is the code that has been copied. What is this? Let's check it. Code exported from Paper. Okay, this is a component. Okay, all right, this is nice. Let's check text element as well. I think we have tested this till here. Okay, this is text element. This is nice that you're able to, oh, you're not able to while you are in the, okay, this can be better. While I'm inside the text element, I'm editing it, you can't pen. You can use this space bar, but it's inconvenient. You should be able to, I think, while on this, middle mouse should work. Yeah, middle mouse is needed here. Middle mouse pen while I'm in the text element. All right, okay, so this is the text. Let's, okay, this is good. Okay, truncate and everything are not there for now. Font size. Okay, I like the fact that when you are changing the properties, the outline, this selection outline is not there, it disappears. See, just like Figma, but in Framer it doesn't happen. In Framer, this line does not disappear. Framer, if you don't know, Framer is this tool. Just publish it with Framer. When you are, like, for example, this thing, this outline, and when you are changing things, this does not disappear, which is annoying a little bit, because in Figma also it disappears, and which is very, amazing, because you can see the element clearly. Okay, oh, underline is a different element, different thing. Oh, all right, did not expect this. This is beautiful. Auto. What else is there? Oh wow. Underline. Okay, you can change this, or maybe you can turn it into auto. But while I'm auto, there should be an option to, to check or to change it to, because this does not look, this looks like this is not editable, right? If there is a drop down or something like that, you can change it, like 5. This is offset, right? What is it? No tooltip? No? Tooltip isn't there? Let's wait for tooltip. No. Underline, auto. Oh, is there any tooltip here? Yeah, tooltip. Appearing. Underline. Properties. Text. Yeah, this is good. You can change the underline color as well. Oh wow, this is so cute. This is awe moment. Oh, this is so cute. Yeah, this is nice. I mean, I love this feature actually. This is so sweet of you. Paper to provide this feature. This feature is really good because I think in code this is available. Copy as React, and if I paste it here, this is not working. This is what it is. The box. What is this? Box sizing. Border box. Font family. Swift system UI and undefined. Where's I think underline text decoration thickness. See, these things are available in code. 22 pixels. Yeah, but in Figma you can't do these things actually. It's so sad. But here in Paper you can do. Wow. Okay, I think we have explored text also. Let's explore other things. See, this can be a little smooth. This is slow. Okay, this is getting slower now because of so many elements or what? Because in Figma if you have so many elements, doesn't matter, it will work smooth. I mean mostly, sometimes Figma also crashes. Okay, because it has so many images also, right? These images. Yeah, I think the tool is working fine. And Figma is a beast in this case because it has so many elements and it still works fine. This navigation is, see, it is getting a little jittery. But that's fine. Let's move on to the excuse me, shaders. Let's go. Yes sir. Okay, so this is a spicy part. Let's put some shaders here. Let's start with this dithering. Hey, it has so many of these properties: speed, sphere, simplex, warp, dots, wave, ripple, swirl, sphere. What if you can copy as PNG and you can paste it? Oh wow, there's no background, transparent background PNG. Wow, this is nice. The background is black. You can change it. Yes sir, you can change it. You can change it transparent as well. Oh, now it's transparent. This is very good. Scale. Okay, you change the color. Let's make it red. Size. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Shaders. I'm just pasting it into chat. What? Shadows. Yeah, this is good. This is beautiful. And what else? Yeah, okay. So this is what? This is the first shader. What is this? Oh, nice. Type. Hey, random. Like it. 2x2. 4x4. 8x8. Okay. Pixel size. This is, I love the shaders, guys. Okay, this is first shader. Let's resize it and put it here. Let's put the dots and grids. Dot. Okay. Oh wow, It is great. Speed, scale, scale is scary. See this? Okay, it is a little bit blurry because scale we have set to 10%. Is it blurry though? Not really. I mean, it will not look like it is blurry, because see here it's not looking blurry even if I increase the size. Undo redo is working fine, but this zoom, like command scroll, can be a little smoother. Yeah, but this is working fine. This is working really good. Scale, size range. Okay, this looks like a really nice 3D kind of look. If you don't have range, it looks flat, but if you have range, it looks like you're in a some kind of 3D environment. And this is, see, transition also, like this is nice. Spreading, this is spreading. Steps per color. Steps per color is 4 good. Can I make it 10? No, 4 is max. Can I make it 3.2? Because this, oh, okay, 3.2 is not a whole number. Why the steps per color? 3.2 is steps per color. Okay, how can you have like 3.2 steps? I don't know, like you might have, because it's a natural number. How can you have? But I don't know, leave it. Okay, I think this is good. Oh wow, these are things default. Bubbles. Okay, these are some hallucinatory. Yeah, this is hallucinatory. Let's reduce the size, and then it will look even more hallucinatory. Oh, wow. Scale low. I think you should keep your size low and scale high. You can increase the size if you want the higher size. Okay, spreading. Okay, these are some, some presets. This is nice. Let's test the other one. What is there? Dot grid. Okay. Stroke. This is nice. Okay. Diamond, square, triangle, default, triangle, tree line. Okay. Wallpaper. Okay, this is good. Let's test the next one. Okay, all right. Oh wow, this is also nice. Intensity, noise, scale. No. Oh, this is dots, trunk, true chat. Well, I don't know what that is, but okay, this is true chat. Infinite dots. Let's reduce the scale so that I can see. Blob. This is so good, guys. This is so good. Okay, all right. 1 second guys, my phone has less battery, so let me just connect it to battery, connect it to the computer. I hope now it's good. The continuity camera had, okay, it's good. Let's test the next one. What is the next one? This would, okay, I think we already tested this. Mesh gradient. Okay, they have so many options, man. This is so nice. Distortion. Okay. Oh wow. Swirl. Speed. Ink. Beach. Purple. Default. Beautiful. I like this default feature actually. You can reset it to the back to whatever it had. It was there. Okay. Love it. Wow. I really love this feature. Okay, all right. This is fall off. Mixing. Okay. Nice mixing. Distortion. Okay, grain overlay, scale, offset. Let's put it 0. Okay, this is also nice. Let's make it. We have tested till here. Okay, there are so many. Let's test them one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did I leave something? This? I think I did it here. Next, what is this? Pulsing border. Oh, I like this. Actually, people use this a lot on the payments pages of websites to highlight the borders. Oh, nice. The inside rectangle is also changing, and you can change it default. Northern lights. Wow. Solid line. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. You don't have to mask inside. So generally, if you want to achieve this look, you'll have to mask it with use the stroke as a mask, and then use that. But here you don't have to. Circle. I really like this feature. Solid line, default. And you can change a lot of things, definitely. Like this, softness and everything. Roundness. Oh, this is rectangle. Thickness. Wow, see this? This is very nice. Oh wow, intensity and everything. Softness if I remove. See that? This is so nice. Pulse. Smoke. This is nice. Let's remove the pulse. Smoke size. This is very good. Okay, let's make it default. Yeah, meta balls. Okay, speed, count, size, scale. Yes, this is good. What is this? Color panels, speed, scale, speed. Okay, I love this. Oh wow. This is nice. Right skew, length, edge of. Blur. Oh wow. Fade out. This is nice. Okay, 0, 0, 0. It would be nice to make this as 0 and then, you know, or maybe there should be some kind of snap here, like at 0. It is not snapping. Range selector is not snapping. Okay, let's put it a comment. Range selector not snapping to 0. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, what are these? Let's check them as well. Okay, very straightforward. Inner glow, speed, scale. Oh wow, I like this. Distortion, gap. Can you do like 15? No, that's 14%. No, gap is 10% max. What is this? Speed, scale. On a scale, let's reduce the scale. Steps. This is now almost like a blur. Oh no, this is good. What is this? Matte walls. Moosh. Oh, I like this. Worms. Speed. Nintendo water. Speed. Scale. Speed. Scale. Brightness. Contrast. Oh, nice. I think these are all good. Oh wow. I did not have my dinner, so I'm gonna go in a bit to have my dinner. Yes. Okay, all right. And yeah, I think we have tested all of them, most of them. What are these? Image filters. Okay. All right. You can change the image as well. Oh yes, you can. Open a new tab. Okay. Effect, scale, slow-mo, streaming, abstract. I really like this image effect. And what is the next one? Paper texture, detail, cardboard, abstract. Okay. Image dithering. Okay, this is a really nice feature. People have been using plugins for this, but now it is working out of the box. I mean, people use plugins in different tools, not in Paper. Like Figma and all, people use plugins for this kind of stuff. But this is nice, it's working out of the box. Fluted glass. Okay. Fold. Oh, do you recognize this? I've seen it somewhere. Linear, right? No, raycast. See this? I've seen it somewhere. Definitely similar. Oh wow, there are different zigzag patterns. I really like it. Scale and everything. Oh wow, I love this feature. You can do a lot with it. Let's move on to the next one, which is this heat map. I think they gave this feature after Apple dropping event. Dropping. All right, this is so gorgeous, beautiful. This is very beautiful. Angle, wow. Noise, you can reduce it. Oh wow. This is very good. Wow, this is nice. This is my favorite one actually. Oh, we forgot this one. Smoke ring. Oh, solar, cloud, line. I like this cloud and this. Okay, I think this tool is really good. Loved working on this tool. Like for example, I pressed F and these are the presets we have. Pages. Can you click multiple pages? Create multiple pages. Oh wow. Page background. Okay, this is very nice. Okay, what is this? Image generation. This is, oh, whatever. Feedback and everything. What opens? I think this is image generation. Let's say beautiful landscape. Variety pack. Imagen. Okay, Imagen is available. Flux 1.2 fast and very versatile. Ideogram v3 is available. Upgrade. Okay, these are great results. I don't know which one they used, but what is this? Start over from this prompt. Copy prompt. Okay, let's paste the prompt here. Where is the prompt? Here. No. Landscape. Okay, so I just pasted this. Okay, this is good. Yes, I think this tool is very good. And I love this. Let's end stream. No. End paper discussion. Paper testing maybe. Final thoughts. And paper testing. Final thoughts. Okay, I think this tool is really good. I really loved working on this working in this tool, and I'm gonna use it more. For now this is just a beta, like alpha. I think it's not even a beta. Okay, paper beta, this is not even an alpha. So in the next coming months and weeks and months, they will launch a new version and they will push more updates. For so far this is really good. I mean, I'm really impressed by what they have been able to achieve, and looking forward to working on this tool, working in this tool, using this tool in the future. I hope you like this live stream. Let me know if you want me to do more like this, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Let's end this stream. Bye bye guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Stop stream. I hope it stopped. Let's end the stream in X. End stream. End.